Market Cafe. Let's catch up with Vinny, see what the stocks are that we need to keep an eye out for at 9:15 when the markets open. Vinny, hi, good morning. What's on your radar today?
Good morning, Varun. So first I'll start with ABB Power, where the company has an open offer for acquisition of around 1.05 crore shares of ABB Power Products and Systems India from the public shareholders for the target company. So that is something that we're going to keep an eye out on. Moving on to some of the company updates that come. Bandhan Bank is one of them. So starting with the loans and advances of the company, they are grew by 20% on a year-on-year basis and 3% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and they stand at around 76,724 crores. Even the total deposits of the company is up by 34% on a year-on-year basis and 9% on a QOQ basis. Overall, the CASA ratio is also seen an improvement. It's up 38. It's at 38.2% versus 32.9% on a year-on-year basis. Now, RBI Bank, on the other hand, we're seeing that the gross advances of the company are down by 3% on a year-on-year basis and 1% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. They stand at 57,295 crores, while the liquidity ratio is at 170.7% versus 136.5% on a year-on-year basis. The total deposits are marginally up by 3%, and the CASA is up by 21% on a year-on-year basis. Moving on to some other news, PVR, where CRISIL has assigned a negative outlook for the company's long-term facilities and NCD. So that is something that we're going to keep an eye out for, and maybe the stock will be in focus. And lastly, TCS, on the back of its earnings, obviously the earnings are a beat on all fronts and all counts. Also, the board has announced a buyback of around rupees 16,000 crores at the active price. So we are going to see maybe some movement and action in TCS today as well, Varun.